Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today, we're tackling the word rubble. It might seem simple, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is rubble. Let's break it down. First, we have ruh, which sounds like ruh in rug. Next is bull, which rhymes with bubble but with a softer ending. Now, let's put it all together. Rubble. Try repeating after me. Rubble. Now a little faster. Rubble. And at full speed. Rubble. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Rubble refers to broken pieces of stone, brick, or other materials, usually from a collapsed building or structure. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce rubble and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.